copains, this is Anita.
And this is Cedric.
Welcome back in our channel again and again. So today it's a recipe of Anita. So I will need to wash the dish because she cook. So I need to wash more.
So yes, guys, today we are doing the vegetable stir fry.
Yes.
That is this present situation. We need to be more healthy, more So we thought, okay, whatever. So whatever we get in our fridge, we try to do all the vegetables. But if we don't have, that is okay. So yes. So let's go to straight away for the preparation.
Let's go. So Anita, let's go to do this recipe. So what we need, what we need?
Yes, so we are doing the restaurant style vegetable stir fry. So yes, as you can see, I take one capsicum, one cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, carrot, and yes, whatever you have. You can take the baby corn, you can take the mushroom, whatever I have in my fridge, I take out all. And as you can see, the broccoli, this is, I did a home delivery. It's not that good, and now this is not the time to waste the food, so I'm gonna use this one. But better you can take the green one, something like this. You can get like the green broccoli.
Yes.
So okay, yes, a fresh one. So yes, and then we take a 1 tablespoon of sugar, same 1 tablespoon of corn flour, salt, pepper. I'm taking this the vegetarian oyster sauce, one light soya sauce and a dark soya sauce.
Okay.
And I will take a garlic, I will peel and I will chop it later.
Okay. So let's go. So now the carrot.
Yes.
So how you need to cut?
You will cut the carrot like this and just turn. This need to be like this angle. Just turn like this. You see, whenever you cut, after cutting, just flip. You see? So the carrot is ready. I will put in a bowl.
Zucchini.
Zucchini the same.
So zucchini, the same technique, huh?
Yes.
Okay, now it's a green zucchini. Same technique. Broccoli.
So now the broccoli, see, you can cut it like this. From the stem. We take this cauliflowers. We will cut like the same, like a broccoli. And now we will cut the capsicum. Capsicum, see, you just cut like this. And in the back like this. I take the small knife. See, it's very easy. If you cut like this, you will see, so easy. And now I will cut this into the pieces. Check out the flakes. This thing. simple cutting, just like in these two pieces. So as you can see, all of our vegetables is ready. We cut it in a nice shape, and now we are going to blanch all the vegetables. So we will do according to the vegetables one by one, because some vegetables need more time, some vegetables need less time. And we are blanching, why? Because it's a stir fry. So stir fry just take 2 to 3 minutes, so this vegetable will be not cooked and it will be not good to eat. So what we can do the half blanch and then stir fry, and with this all the sauces it will give a very nice taste. So let's go.
So we
already put the water to boil, and then we put 1 spoon of salt. Now we were waiting to, once the water is boiling, then we start putting our vegetables. So yes, as you can see, the water is already boiled. So now we start giving our, so first we will give the carrot. We are blanching for 6 to 7 minutes, but again it's depend. So first we will give the carrot.
6-7 minutes carrot.
Yes, no, we will, total maximum time is 6 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
So first we will give the carrot. After 3 minutes we will give the broccoli. It's already 3 minutes. Now we put our broccoli and the cauliflower together. Slowly.
How many minutes for the broccoli?
The same 2 minutes, but again we will check, because if we need a time, definitely we will take the time, because we don't want it to take the vegetables half cooked. You need to check like this. Once it's done, your fork need to be go inside. So we will check again after 2 minutes how is it boiled or not. Now I will check for the, see, still it's not going so smoothly, but it's almost done. So now I will put the zucchini, all of the zucchini. So 2 more minutes. And one thing guys, I forgot to tell you, the water need to be 3 times the vegetables you put, because as you can see, so it will be the nicely boiled. So I will wait for 2 more minutes, and then lastly we will put the capsicum. So let's see. Yes, all our vegetable is nicely blanched, and now just a capsicum we put last. This is for just 30 seconds, huh? So I put all the vegetables here, because this will be the, the temperature shock.
So you prepare the water with the ice, huh? Right? It's
Yes.
very cold, huh?
It's very cold.
So it will be fix the color of the vegetable, huh?
Yes. So yes, now you can see I already take out from the cold water. I keep it like this to drain the excess water. Okay, so it's here. Now we will prepare the sauce. So 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now I'll put teaspoon of oyster sauce, this is a light soy sauce, one tablespoon, this is a dark soy sauce, little pepper, little salt, and the sugar. 1 tablespoon. We mix it all. For this we take 1 to 2 spoon of little water. One spoon of water. Mix well. And take a little more water. Okay, so see, now this is ready. Now we will stir our vegetables. So yes, see, I already put the oak here. The oak need to be a little hot. So we were waiting to get it little hot. So now it's very hot. We add 1 tablespoon of oil. Garlic. When you get the aromatic flavors from the garlic, then we put our vegetables. You see, the garlic is nice golden brown. Put the flame on low. Now we put our vegetables. We put a little salt, not too much because we already put soya sauce. So soya sauce is already salty, so we make it a little toast in a low flame. So now I put again on a high flame. And you need to just mix everything nicely with the garlic, all the pieces of the vegetables. So now it is nicely mixed with the garlic. Now we put all our sauces. Yes, we can mix it nicely. As you can see, it's a very So now it's ready. I'll switch off the flame, and now this is serving time. It is looking very fantastic.
Oh, yes, it smells very good.
Smells, yes, really good.
This is 1 meal, huh?
Yeah, you can eat just the bread and just as vegetables.
For garnishing.
Yes, and we will garnish. So see, our plate is ready.
Look very yummy. Huh?
It's hot. It's very hot. I cannot hold. Okay,
Yes,
so
okay.
let's get it eat.
My friend, hope you enjoyed this video, this recipe, because it's a recipe of Anita.
So yes guys, it's a very easy recipe, and as you are getting bored with the regular vegetables, you can stir fry, because as you can see, you don't need too much of ingredient to cook.
Yes, it's very easy, but we need to blanch, put on the
Yeah, the
cold water.
process is
So
little lengthy.
some
Yes.
technical process, but if
Yes,
you have
it's a
30
good,
minutes in
yes.
front of you, you can do it. Huh?
And
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Press the bell, everything. You know
yes, do everything. So let us know, do cook, prepare at your home, to let us know how you like the recipe as well.
They can send us the picture as well. It's
And
nice.
send us a picture, do comment us below. And yes, one more thing, as we don't have a sesame oil and the seeds, so you can sprinkle a little the oil and the seeds, so it's give a very nice flavor. And yes, so hope you guys see you on our next video. Till then, bon
Bon
appetit.
appétit!